Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to be talking about Bitcoin, dive into it a little bit, because I'm having some people asking, now that we're starting to see some moves to the upside, are we out of the woods? Does this mean that the bull market's going to be cut short? Is the bull market over? I'm hearing a lot of different things. There's a lot of mixed signals, and we've been talking about these mixed signals for a while, but we're starting to see some developments in the charts. So let's talk about that. First, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $66,687, just barely below $67,000, down about 0.71% on the day. Bitcoin dominance, my oh my, trading at 54.5%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically trading at 56.5%, very close to 57%. Last time we saw this is when we were at all-time highs. I think that we see another move to the upside on Bitcoin dominance towards that 60% level, especially if Bitcoin continues this move to the upside. If we get that next leg up, I expect Bitcoin dominance to really suck out some of this liquidity. I want to take a look at those charts, but before we do that, go follow me at 333 Blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 300 followers in 24 hours from now, I will give away $300 worth of crypto to one of you guys that follows me, whether it's Crocoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cronos meme coins. I don't care. I'll give it to you guys. I love giving back to you, so go follow me there. Now let's take a look at these charts. Let's start off with the daily. The daily is pretty promising, but I don't see anything where I'm screaming, okay, straight to the moon, all-time highs. I'm not saying that yet. But I will say that getting these daily candle closures above 65,000, above about this level right here, very good. It's good to see that. Market cipher, momentum wave coming up. We're not above the 60 line. We could see this wave play out above the 60 line like we did previously over here. If you look back here, we came above the 60 line and trade for a little bit of time, and that's kind of when we were getting our foot in the door into this bull market, if you will, when we broke the new all-time high of this cycle, pre-halving. When we broke above 75,000, we started to see this momentum wave curl up above the 60 on the daily. That's on the table here. That's on the table here. But I really want to emphasize to you guys that we're not out of the woods just yet. It's not time to say, okay, new all-time highs just yet. But I will say, getting these daily candle closures above 65,000 increases the probability that we're going to be headed here to new all-time highs sooner than later, sooner than expected. Let's take a look over the weekly too, because the weekly is a little bit tricky. The weekly is a little bit tricky because when we look at market cipher, seeing the wave come below the 60 usually indicates significant amount of pain to come, especially when we zoom out and look back to the previous cycle, back in April of 2021, before we had that summer lull to the downside for a few months, bringing us from 64,000 all the way down to 28K. That's when we started to dip below the 60. And it was basically the bull market was canceled. It was canceled. It was canceled for a little bit, you know. But it was just pain. It was just pain for a little bit of time before we got our double top. And right now, we are pulling below the 60 line. But in my opinion, I don't think that, okay, that is the end-all, be-all signal for long-term pain. It's a important signal to pay attention to, but I don't think that, okay, now we're going into a 6-month summer lull. Especially while we're seeing some of these invalidations, guys. This weekly candle right here is very, very nice to see. Very nice to see. Closing above $65,000. Getting that curvature. Very nice to see that. Prior to this weekly candle, we were seeing that. And now you can start to see that we're starting to see the curvature to the upside. Money flow is looking pretty good as well. The weekly is promising. It's promising. It's basically saying, okay, trend reversal. I'm not saying all-time highs, but I'm saying what I see on the weekly is basically saying trend reversal here. On the monthly as well, the red dot, very important we pay attention to this, is gone. The red dot on Market Cipher is gone. It was pulled off the S&P 500, and that was really worrisome. When I saw that red dot on the monthly candle on the S&P 500, I was saying, oh man, probably going to be a rough summer. Probably going to be a lot of pain for crypto and probably going to catch a lot of people off guard. But in the back of my mind thinking, but probably set us up for a longer term bull market. But right now, the red dot is gone on the S&P 500. The red dot is gone on the monthly on Market Cipher for Bitcoin. We're looking more bullish than bearish now. That's what I want to say, especially when it comes to Bitcoin. When it comes to meme coins, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. It looks a little shaky. It looks a little shaky. For the short term, you need to let Bitcoin steal the spotlight and make the moves. Make the next legs up. Be the center of attention. Absorb that liquidity. And then when Bitcoin says, thank you for watching, and starts to trade sideways, that's when you see the meme coins, and hopefully the coins that have actual utility as well make some big moves. But this is a very different type of bull market than we've ever seen before. People have just basically gone straight to gambling instead of following through the cyclical nature of the typical 4-year cycle where Bitcoin moons, Ethereum makes its move, altcoins make its move, then the meme coins make its move, then we crash. It's not really that easy anymore. People have just gone straight to meme coins. But I will say, based on Bitcoin dominance, meme coins look a little shaky right now. They look a little shaky right now, especially on the higher term time frames. Not saying that meme coins won't make moves, but I'm saying that the risk to reward, in my opinion, right now is Bitcoin is much more likely to move to the upside. And then after we see Bitcoin cool off, that's when I would say, okay, probably time to see these meme coins and these altcoins make some big moves. If you like this type of content, guys, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. I like to give you these quick updates, keep you guys in the know, letting you know what I'm seeing in the markets. If there's anything that's spooking me out or I think that is important to take a look at, I like to keep you guys in the know. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Check out the awesome referral links we have down below. A $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex in the description box below this video. All you got to do is click the link to Femex, deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.